Sick, man.
Don't shoot me.
Apa nih? Apa? Apa, Sir?
Hello, Sir Mads. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, Sir Mads.
Yo.
Sir Mads, are you a Filipino?
Yes.
Pwede ba tayo magtagalog sa PD or English?
No, sir. You cannot use Tagalog in public, okay?
Sir, someone told me, a member of a gang lately, that they have planned to have a role play with police officers. They will abduct someone or kidnap someone later after the hiring event.